Hey, this is Baba the Infinity, reminding you of Infinity Heist. This is said to be world's toughest riddle. It is going wild in people. I have 50 rupees, let's do some accounting and how I spend it. If I spend 20, I will have a balance of 30. Then if I spend 15, I will have a balance of 15. If I then spend 9, I will have a balance of 6 rupee. And if I spend that 6, now I have a balance of 0. The total amount in the spend column will be 50. Now what's the total amount in the balance column? It's not 50, it's actually 51. And this is the puzzle. Where did the extra 1 rupee comes from? This is a really fun puzzle. You can translate it in your local currency. You'll be surprised by how many people don't understand where this extra 1 rupee comes from. Pause the video if you give it a try, and when you are ready, keep watching how to solve this problem. So to better understand this problem, let's illustrate what's going on. We start up with 50 units of currency. Let's compare the amount we spend and the balance remaining. If we start out spending 20, we remove 20 of these dots to the spending column, and then we have a balance of 30. Well, what happens when if we spend 15, we then remove 15, we remain with balance of 15. So far so good. We spend 9, which leaves the balance of 6. We spend that 6, and of course we remain the balance with 0. So actually all of these numbers are correct. The total amount that we spend will be equal to 50. The question is why the total in this balance column equals to 51. Well, the reason is actually there is no problem with the numbers. Correct equation is the balance plus the total amount spent will be equal to 50. It's not going to be true that the sum of balance column will be equal to 50. Let's think of this problem a little bit more abstractly. Let's suppose we spend S1, our balance will be 50 minus S1. We then spend S2, we have balance of 50 minus S1 minus S2. If we then spend S3, we subtract S3 from balance column, and same goes with S4. The total amount in the spending column will be sum of spending amounts, and now the total amounts in the balance column will be the function 200 minus 4 times S1 minus 3 times S2 minus 2 times S3 minus S4. If we put the amount in original problem, we can see what the result in each of these columns. So all of these numbers is actually be correct. The total amount in the spending column will be 50. But now the balance column, when we evaluate this function, we get a result of 51. And that's fine. It doesn't have to be equal to 50. So we go back to the original table. It's completely correct. And there is no problem with the numbers. It's just a tricky question to compare the sums of these two columns. To conclude, I would say it's just an illusion of double counting. Here we have counted number twice. As for example, we have used 15th rupees, and also we are counting 15th rupees in the balance. Thanks for watching.